I have stuff in my eye. Oh, it's burning. It's burning. Ugh. We're in Austria. It's so pretty. Hey guys, it's Erin, and today we are doing a very fun summer hairstyles. You guys can't really tell, but this is called like the triple rope twist braid, and I think it's really, really cool if you guys can see. It's like rope twist on rope twist. So if you guys want to learn how to do this hairstyle, stay tuned.
Hello, yellow. So the very first thing is to brush through your hair to make sure it is tangle free to start a hairstyle like usual. I'm going to be taking a small section from the very left side of my hair and starting a rope twist. So if you don't know what that is I'm going to twist both individual pieces to the right, but then I'm going to twist both of them together towards the left. So once again, I'm twisting them to the right and then twisting them both together to the left. This is basically what a rope twist is, and we do this to make sure it stays in place, because if you don't twist them in opposite directions, they'll end up falling apart when you use a hair tie. When we're done that, we're just going to take a small hair tie and tie it off and brush through the rest of our hair. I'm going to be taking another small section. I want to say this is around 2 to 3 inches, and we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to divide it into 2 sections and twist all the individual pieces towards the right while twisting both of them together towards the left. So as you can see here, we're twisting to the left, and again, the little pieces individually are twisted to the right, but both pieces together are twisted to the left. Once again, when you're done, you can take a hair tie and tie it off. Finally, we're going to be taking this big section, and I want to say the ratio would be like 3 to 1 for the size, and we're doing one big rope twist. And shocker, shocker, twisting them both to the right, and then twisting them together towards the left. You want to make sure you pull this braid really tight together, or else when you let go and put the hair tie around, it's not going to stay and it's going to turn into a nightmare. So once again, we're going to tie it off, and now we have these 3 weird braids. But don't worry, it's not going to stay like that. We're going to be taking the very left section, and it's just going to fall very naturally into, I want to say, the holes of the rope twist. So as you can see, there's little indentations for the rope twist, and we're actually going to take these smaller ones and fill it in. It's hard to explain, but you guys definitely know what I'm talking about as you guys are watching the video. We're just really putting it where there's empty spots, and it just adds a lot of detail, and it makes the braid look much more complex than it actually is. Ta-da! This is the final hairstyle. This actually makes everything look way more complex. People are going to be like, how the heck did you do that? And you're not going to tell them, because it'll be our little secret. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super duper fun to do. And of course, you guys can see here, we have the bigger sections as opposed to the smaller sections, and it makes everything look super fun and complex. And if you want, you guys can really tug on the braid, really loosen it out, or you can keep it as tight as you want. That part's totally up to you. And yeah, that's our final hairstyle.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and give me a big old like right down there. My vlog channel is also there, which I post brand new videos every single Tuesday. So subscribe if you want to see more weekly vlogs from me. And if you guys have any suggestions for future videos, you guys can comment down below, or you guys can tweet me at flipperhair22. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next week for another Flip Hair Friday. Bye!